Welcome to English KaReview. English for Beginner.
"50 Common Questions and Answers Used in Daily Life." How are you? How are you?
I'm good, thanks. How about you? I'm doing well, thanks for asking. I'm doing great, thanks. I just had a fantastic weekend.
What's your name? What's your name?
I am John. My name is John. My name is Mike.
Where are you from? Where are you from?
I'm from London. I am from Palestine.
How old are you? How old are you?
I'm 28 years old. I am 25 years old.
What do you do for a living? What do you do for a living?
I'm a teacher. I'm a doctor.
Have you eaten yet? Have you eaten yet?
Yes, I have. No, I haven't eaten yet.
What's the time? What's the time?
It's 2:30 p.m. It's 7 a.m.
Can you help me? Can you help me?
Of course, I'd be happy to help. Yes, how can I assist you?
How's the weather today? How's the weather today?
It's sunny and warm today. It's rain today.
Where are you going? Where are you going?
I'm going to the grocery store. I'm going to work.
Do you have any plans for the weekend? Do you have any plans for the weekend?
I'm planning to relax at home. I'm planning to go on vacation.
How was your day? How was your day?
My day was not good, but I keep productive to work.
What's your favorite food? What's your favorite food?
My favorite food is noodle. I love pizza.
Can I have your phone number? Can I have your phone number?
Sure, it's 9123-456-789. Here's my number, 555-123-4567.
How's your family? How's your family?
My family is doing well, thanks for asking. They're good, thanks for inquiring.
What's your favorite movie? What's your favorite movie?
My favorite movie is Harry Potter. I really like The Shawshank Redemption.
How do you like to spend your free time? How do you like to spend your free time?
I enjoy reading and watching English movie. I like reading and hiking.
Where did you go to school? Where did you go to school?
I went to Harvard University. I attended Harvard University.
What's your favorite color? What's your favorite color?
My favorite color is blue. Blue is my favorite color.
Are you married? Are you married?
Yes, I am. No, I'm not. No, I'm not married yet.
Do you have any siblings? Do you have any siblings?
Yes, I have 4 siblings. Yes, I have 2 sisters. No, I don't have any siblings.
What's your favorite book? What's your favorite book?
My favorite book is Harry Potter. To Kill a Mockingbird is my favorite book.
Can you pass me the salt, please? Can you pass me the salt, please?
Here you go. Sure, here's the salt.
What's your favorite season? What's your favorite season?
I love the spring season. I enjoy the fall season the most.
How do you get to work? How do you get to work?
I usually drive to work.
What's your pet's name? What's your pet's name?
My pet's name is Tom.
Can I have a glass of water? Can I have a glass of water?
Of course, here you go. Yes, here's a glass of water for you.
What's your dream vacation destination? What's your dream vacation destination?
I'd love to visit Bali. I dream of visiting the Masjid al-Aqsa.
Do you like sports? Do you like sports?
Yes, I enjoy playing football. I'm a fan of basketball.
What's your favorite restaurant? What's your favorite restaurant?
I like Turkey's restaurant.
Can you speak another language? Can you speak another language?
Yes, I can speak 2 languages. Yes, I can speak Arabic and Indonesian languages.
How do you like your coffee? How do you like your coffee?
I like my coffee with less sugar. I prefer my coffee with cream and sugar.
Do you exercise regularly? Do you exercise regularly?
Yes, I try to wrestling exercise 2 times in a week. I go to the gym 3 times a week.
What's your favorite type of music? What's your favorite type of music?
I enjoy listening to Arabic music. I love listening to classical music.
Can you recommend a good movie? Can you recommend a good movie?
Sure, you should watch Harry Potter, because you can improve your speaking and listening skills. Of course, the Harry Potter is a great movie to watch.
What's your favorite holiday? What's your favorite holiday?
I love Eid al-Fitr holiday, because all of my family members will visit to my house.
Have you ever traveled abroad? Have you ever traveled abroad?
Yes, I've traveled to London. Yes, I've traveled to France and Italy.
What's your favorite TV show? What's your favorite TV show?
Game of Thrones is my favorite TV show.
Do you have any allergies? Do you have any allergies?
No, I don't have any allergies. Fortunately, I'm not allergic to anything.
What's your favorite place in your city? What's your favorite place in your city?
I really like flower bed in my city.
Do you enjoy cooking? Do you enjoy cooking?
Yes, I love cooking. Yes, I do. Cooking is one of my passions.
What's your favorite childhood memory? What's your favorite childhood memory?
One of my favorite childhood memories is vacation at the zoo. I fondly remember family vacations at the beach.
Can you recommend a good book to read? Can you recommend a good book to read?
You should read an English grammar book to learn more about writing skill in English. I highly recommend A Catcher in the Rye.
How do you relax after a long day? How do you relax after a long day?
I relax by taking meditation in early morning. I unwind by taking a warm bath.
What's your favorite animal? What's your favorite animal?
My favorite animal is cat. I love dolphins. That's my favorite animal.
What's your dream job? What's your dream job?
My dream job would be a doctor. My dream job is to be a marine biologist.
Do you have any travel plans coming up? Do you have any travel plans coming up?
Yes, I'm planning to visit Palestine. I'm looking forward to a trip to Paris.
What's your favorite dessert? What's your favorite dessert?
I love cheesecake for my dessert. Chocolate cake is my favorite dessert.
How do you stay organized? How do you stay organized?
I use my note application on my mobile phone to stay organized. I use a digital calendar to stay organized.
Can you recommend a good place to eat nearby? Can you recommend a good place to eat nearby?
You should try to visit the Café Turkey out there. It's great for Muslim tourists from all over the world. You should try Café Bella, they serve delicious Italian cuisine.
That's all the video of 50 common questions, and their answers used in daily life. Don't forget to subscribe channel, like, comment, and share the video for more valuable content. Thanks for watching and see you in the next videos.